Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, a new day. Nice to see some developments from yesterday. Overnight again, Asia did the volatility. We had nice setups overnight. Unfortunately, I was sleeping like a baby. Morning, Andrei. Morning, Darren. Morning, Ivan, Noure, Shogun. Hey, Ricky, Robert, Boba. Well, at least it's moving. At least we are seeing some volatility. Let's start with Bitcoin. I see some people saying on Twitter, well, this is the top. Well, I don't think it's the top, but could be the top. Yeah. On daily, we don't have enough reasons to think top here. We are just fighting the all-time high. We are just fighting 110k. Simple as that. We can go on weekly because that's better for us to call some tops. And all I see is a potential bearish divergence here on RSI, a potential divergence on MACD, nothing on OBV, and a new high, a new weekly close on the price action. Tell me, this looks like a top? For me, it doesn't look like a top. For the moment. Things could change, that's for sure, but at the moment, I don't think this is the top. That doesn't mean I will not hedge my portfolio. Every time I'll have the chance, I'll hedge my portfolio. In case of a drop, I could protect my spot bags. Okay, so that's weekly. Let's go back on daily. What do we have on daily? Well, for the moment on daily, we have a clear uptrend. Clear uptrend here. Nothing changed. We don't have a clear EM. We don't have enough for a short idea. We don't have enough to think lower for the moment. Not bearish divergence here. We have a MACD divergence in histogram. You know MACD. Could give us multiple signals until we'll see some developments. So, at the moment, where let's say that we are fighting 110k. Let's keep it simple. We are fighting this level. And as long as we are fighting this level and holding close to 110, altcoins could start outperforming. Can you guys hear me or I'm speaking by myself? I don't see any reaction in the chat. Nobody is saying anything. Well, there you go. So, until we'll see the breakdown and retest and we'll have a clear setup, I don't think it's okay for us to call not even a local top, not a top. Yeah. Calling a top on Bitcoin here needs more confluence, at least in my plan. So if Bitcoin looks like this, let's see how Ethereum looks. Well, finally, something is changing. Could this be an SFU? Yeah, it can be. But at the same time, I could see easily an AB equals CD. We discussed multiple times this AB equals CD scenario. And why I want to hunt long ideas on Ethereum and not on Bitcoin. Because Ethereum should start outperforming. We had a lot of signs even when Bitcoin was below $2,000, and we said, well, let's dollar cost average. Let's keep it simple, because we are here to make money, not to outsmart someone or to outsmart the market. And we bought below $2,000 as much as we could buy. Well, now starts to look acceptable. But people will come and will ask what to buy and when to buy and how to buy here in the short reload zone. That's usually what's happening in crypto, and not only crypto. Ethereum keeps being stronger than Bitcoin. I'll keep hunting long ideas on Ethereum. I'm here to make money. I'm not here to be a Bitcoin maximalist. I'm not here to be a Ethereum maximalist. I'm here to make money as a trader. As an investor, I'm still here to make money, but it's a different approach. Okay, that's Ethereum. Let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance. A stupid trader told you that we are rejecting from short reload zone. Well, that was a nice rejection. Not a clear EM, but still, you can see we managed to push back here 64.4.5 and we rejected again. How low? I don't know. Let's hope as low as possible. Altcoins need a bounce, need a pump. Anyway, nobody left to sell them. Everyone, people who wanted to sell altcoins, they sold already. So let's see, maybe we'll get a 38.2. That will be something nice. And if we'll touch this level, then we can talk about more. But if you look left, you can see the first strong support, it's here. 61.5 kind of idea. Level by level. What I don't like that we don't have a clear EM, but not every time is perfect. Market respected the short reload zone, respected the fibs. We had an AB equals D on lower time frame. Classic TA works even on Bitcoin dominance. So as long as you see Bitcoin dominance pointing down, well, happy hunting on altcoins. If we'll continue like this, we can hunt with Holy Grail again. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. You remember that we said two scenarios, back in the long reload zone or an AB equals CD. Seems like we'll have an AB equals CD. Seems like. If we'll accept above this high, then we know we have more probability for an AB equals CD than for a retracement in the long reload zone. Kind of aggressive, but nothing new on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. If you look back, you'll see violent moves up, down, up, down. Here was only down, but when it started to push higher, look what happened. Kind of aggressive moves. Let's see what will happen. Slowly. We discussed this blue area, we discussed this inverse head and shoulder, we discussed all the levels multiple times. Too bad that too many people were bearish here and didn't manage to buy any Ethereum. Or if they bought some Ethereum, they sold already, saying that, well, it's just a bounce. Huh? We'll see. Morning, Jade. Okay, so that's the overview. Let's take a look at CME charts. Well, nothing special here, nothing different on Bitcoin CME. Remember, just remember that at any point in time we can retest the pump chaser zone. So keep in mind that when you want to chase Bitcoin. Yes, strong, and you can see it's SFUing the high from a couple of days ago, from 10 days ago. In the short reload zone, trying to push higher. Could be an SFU here and we'll go down. Yeah, could be, but too many bullish news. If you look yesterday in the traditional market, we had too many bullish news, so-called bullish news. Yeah. So I'm not, if I'll trade this one, I'll just leave it alone. It's ugly to trade here. Don't think long here because it's ugly. I prefer to hit the all-time high, take it as support, and then to think long. But I'm not trading this one, so I don't have that problem. It's strong, that's clear. It's fucking strong here. Maybe some potential divergence here for now. We have a divergence on MACD, so there are some signs here, but not enough. Gold is behaving nicely. Slowly dipping back down in the long reload zone. Why not? We'll see what will happen here in this area. If we'll bounce again. Because if you take this high and this low, this will be confluence with a long reload zone. So 3,200, that will be the area to watch out. If you are short from the top, then you can think there to take some profit. Total market cap, nothing special, going sideways in the short reload zone, fighting that level. Total 3, the same. The big thing here is Ethereum, and Ethereum will drag some altcoins up. Now, Ethereum is stronger than the rest, and it's a sign. Usually when a nice altcoin season starts with fucking Ethereum, not with meme coins like until now. And if you see Ethereum pumping, then you know, well, it's Ethereum, big caps, medium caps, and small caps, shit coins at the end. Until now, we had some bounces or some mini altcoin seasons starting with fucking meme coins, which wasn't healthy. Starting with the end, didn't have legs. Now, hopefully, will be different. Will be like in the past, like in 2021 and earlier in the crypto. Shitcoins here, you can see 5-10%. Some of them are still at break even from yesterday. Nothing changed. They didn't pump. They are slowly trying to get a grip to see, well, Ethereum is pumping, let's pump. The only one I see stronger here is SSV. Yeah. And okay, I could see an AB equals CD again forming here and pushing higher. We are long on higher time frame on this one, all of them. But we need Ethereum to pump like crazy, and then rest of the altcoins. That is usually the healthy way to pump. I'll not go now and look at all the altcoins. They are looking similar like yesterday, 2 days ago, 1 week ago, and so on. Morning, Cataly. But it's acceptable. It's nice to... It's still good levels to dollar cost average. Still good levels to buy some. Look at this one. You think it's a good level to dollar cost average here? I think so. Look at the OBV. Look at the RSI. That is the bottom exactly here? I don't know. I don't think so. But it's a good level to dollar cost average. It's a good level to use little old lady here, buy here, sell half on a double, and so on. Definitely good level. The rest is up to you, people. What I saw that is announcing a top. Not now, but I saw that it's announcing a top. I saw something on, let me find it. I saw something on, yeah, this one. Yeah. Who knows why this is a top signal or is announcing a top? Who's left in the traditional market after the bull cycle or after a pump? Who's left to hold the bags? Can someone tell me? Who's left to hold the bags in the traditional market? Pension funds, exactly. Yeah. And now they are allowed to buy the top or close to the top in Bitcoin. Yeah, BlackRock and everyone has a lot of Bitcoin. After they load their bags, well, who the fuck will sell everything? Well, I don't know, to the public. Well, we don't have enough public. Well, we have pension funds. Let's open the gate for them. And that's why, and that's how they are ripping off again from the public. Because actually, public is paying the bill. If you understand why. So it's not a top for today. Well, it's happening. No, they need to open. They are slow. They have some boards. They have some meetings. They'll think about it. They need to get some FOMO in. The BlackRock and other ones will influence in that direction. Will take some time, but they'll be left holding the bags. As every time in traditional market, now it's, we wanted the traditional market, we wanted the big boys here in crypto. Well, we have it now. Enjoy it. How we can call the top? Well, we should still think about technical analysis. Yeah? We'll see signs. We'll see bearish divergence on weekly. We'll see some divergence on OBV. I don't know, a 20, 30K move up in one day. And people will say this is the top. And then the market will go and retest that move. And that will be the actual top, that bearish retest. And everyone will be bullish again. We'll see. Well, hopefully we'll be here and hopefully we'll get that close to the top. But for the moment, let's not ignore the signs. Okay? Okay. So that was the news I wanted to tell you. The rest with Trump and tariffs and they're not bad news. They are just fucking around with the market. And nothing is coincidence, people. When you see news in Twitter and anywhere, if you see news, don't think, well, look at this news. Think that someone planted that news there. Someone put that news with a purpose there. What is the purpose? What they want? What is behind the scenes? That you should think about. Don't look at the news. No. Someone allowed that news to be posted there. Okay. Back on lower time frame now. Let's take some charts. Well, you know, yesterday I posted something about TON and I said, well, look at TON, looks ready for another AB equals CD and we'll do something, maybe bullish news. But I should thought a bit better because was about Elon Musk. And you know what Elon Musk does, no? What Elon Musk does best? Can someone tell me what Elon Musk does best? Pump and dump. No? And this guy posted it. Well, let's pump it. And then after some time, Elon Musk comes and says, well, no, fuck it. Come on, look at it. So yesterday lesson was how to pump and dump with Durov and Elon Musk. Simple lessons. If you didn't know that lesson yet, you should. But if you didn't know it, now you know. That means TON is not bullish on the long run? Yeah, it's bullish. The spot bags is still there and I still want to have even more TON. But with this setup, I'm out. Took my stop loss. And I'll hunt another one. I saw Dalmoody posting a setup. A long setup on TON. You can go on premium on day trading, I think, and see what Dalmoody is posting. I'll touch it again. No, I hit the stop loss and I'll wait for another clear setup. Until then, just leave it alone. That's my perspective. Okay, let's look at Bitcoin a little bit on 1 hour. Fucking around, but respecting the levels. You can see here, respecting this short reload zone, then coming back down. Front running the level here and then long reload zone, short reload zone, long reload zone again. Kind of fuckery going sideways here. So if you are short or hedge short with us from 110, keep that trade open. Maybe you want to close a little bit from that short, but keep the rest. We don't know what will happen. Like I said about CME, at any point in time we can see a 38.2 retracement. Any point in time. So for me at least, I decided to hedge my portfolio then at 110. Me, Bocian and other people. That's a hedge short. That's different from the trading I do. That it's left there just to protect my spot bags. New setup here. Well, we kind of have a long reload zone here, but looks like we are consolidating. And I love to see consolidation on Bitcoin and maybe some move up on altcoins. Ethereum. You know, we had this AB equals CD. Well, look at it. Ethereum is stronger. Strong and will probably outperform this. If you are long with me, well, then hold. Don't sell everything at the target. Close kind of 50%, 70% and keep the rest. New setup here, well, I don't know. I don't see a new setup here. It's kind of ugly. You can trade with Holy Grail, that's for sure. So you can activate Holy Grail on 5-minute chart and try to play something. Let's see. What do we have on 5-minute chart? There you go. It's aggressive here, but it's the best tool to chase the market. So let's go back on 1 hour and see the rest. Solana, not doing anything, consolidating for the moment. Could explode. Seeing Ethereum pumping, will drag Solana up a little bit, I think. Tao, well, we had some setups, now it's consolidating. Honestly, I'm waiting to see a double. I'm waiting to see a new setup. Nothing I can do here. TIA, similar. We bounced a couple of times from the long reload zone, but no W, nothing special. It's $2.5, $2.6, a good opportunity to buy on higher time frame. Dollar cost average, little old lady, even some position trading, yes. Lower time frame here, I don't see a day trade. That's the idea. 1 hour. I don't see anything special. Yes, well, we have an EM on 1 hour. Look at it. Close to 6,000 here. Byte, we are still long and nothing we can do more. And still waiting on this one. SSV, we had this setup and you can see if Ethereum is pumping, SSV will follow. So it's kind of similar with having exposure on Ethereum. Nice clean chart. Nothing we can ask more. We had multiple opportunities to buy this entry. The trade was there, was posted for everyone, not only for premium or VIP. New setup here, well, you have to change the time frame for sure. I don't know if you can find a trade even on 4-hour chart. I think you can. Buy 25% like a bot setup. Well, people from TRI or ex-TRIers. 1, 2, 3 lows. Neckline here. Classic bot setup. We front run with an AB equals CD. We have a different and a more aggressive approach. But the bot is there. Classic bot. Take it or leave it. But the bot setup is there. 3 to 1 is not bad. A bot setup, if you enter here, the target is a 3 to 1 R. Not bad. Actually, it's nice. What is more than 2 is nice. So, if you don't have anything else, you can take this one. If you don't have it, like we do from $9. And ton, we discussed ton. The trade is done. Next boss. Yeah, not all the trades will hit the take profit, people. Not all of them. Some of them. 55, 60%. If you combine that with a 2 to 1 risk to reward, then you have something nice. Okay. Let's take some requests if it's the case. If not, let's call it a live stream. Let's start trading. And premium people, you have access in the London session. You have access on VIP session. So join us if you can. Opening for VIP beginning of June. Capua 1. If you really want to participate, don't wait too much because the places are getting booked one by one. Similar on Capua 2. Capua 1 we have 20 places in total. I think we have 10 free. I don't know exactly. Capua 2, we have only 10 places in total and 4 or 5 are booked already. So decide if you want to learn from us. Every beginning of the month, Jade. For 5 or 10 days, they have access on London session. VIP session, because we are trading with VIP people there. Okay. Any requests? You saw anything special on the charts and you want to share with us? Until then, I'll take a look here. Let's see. This one. Spot. Let's see one that is pumping or is dumping. Yesterday we had this one. And we had opportunity, again, to take the entry. Now it's a bit late. But you had a chance to take this trade here. You took it or you didn't took it, it's up to you. Rest of them, they are still in play. If it's with blue, that means it's still in play. High, you can see I'm waiting for this one. That's why it's a different color. I'm waiting for an AB equals CD, but I need this W here. Breakout and retest. We discussed this one. You can see I have an alarm here. Okay, let's see what you are saying there. Litecoin? Let's see Litecoin. What is about Litecoin? I don't get it. It's fighting 100. The support and resistance. Let it win the fight, break out and retest, and then take it. Could be bullish here, yes. Could be an AB equals CD here, pointing this low, yes. No. If you take this low and this high, you have a nice W here for a AB equals CD. You want to take this one? Kind of equal lows. They're dangerous to put the stop loss there. But, well, if the market will stay put or Bitcoin will not dump, Litecoin could do a nice move up. Why you want Litecoin? I don't know. But, yeah, there are better charts out there. I could see an AB equals D here. Similar. It's in the middle of nowhere, but nice bullish OBV on 4-hour chart. We don't have more history here on Binance. Maybe we have. Let's look again. Okay. Yeah. Well, I think it's a different one. Well, it's all I got here. I don't know if this is the entire chart and if it's the start. On 4-hour chart, it's a big fucking range. An AB equals D is possible here. An aggressive LJ maybe. On daily, we don't have enough history. Yeah. But the OBV is strong here. So, you can try to play AB equals CD here. Yeah, why not? I don't see why not. But I don't have enough history to go on a higher time frame, higher than daily menace. But I love the OBV. That OBV is telling us a story. So you can try to hunt multiple times. Well, if this one will fail, you will try in the long reload zone and so on. At first, could be an AB equals CD here. Let me show you why I'm saying that. Okay, AB equals CD. Oh, actually, no. It's too low. If you take the entire thing, you have an AB equals CD. And here you have kind of a pump chaser zone overall. Waiting for some W's is not bad. Even exactly at 50%. Not the best location, but if it's new, usually new coins, they need to consolidate a bit more. And this one didn't pump enough. This is my 2 cents. I love the OBV though. So if you have a bag, hold it. Well, we'll talk about it in the live stream, Menace. I don't think it's the case to stay in the YouTube live stream and search for coins. Yeah, you can post in the VIP live stream. You can post a link and give me exactly what you want me to see, and I'll give you my 2 cents. Overall, people, look at the coins here. They are consolidating. They are in profit. They are moving. If you have only these trades, then you are in a good position. If the market will pump and you have only these ones with 1% for to say you have a lot of exposure, you should be risk-free in most of them, if not all of them. But you should be well positioned if you have all the trades. We discussed last month. And was for free, was for everyone. I didn't ask anything in exchange, not even hit the like button. Okay? From time to time, I'm suggesting to hit the like button. I see 40 people and 13 likes. It's okay. If you enjoy the content, hit the like button. If not, don't. But the idea is, we can see Arbitrum is strong, SSV is strong, and I should start pushing higher sooner than later, but who knows. Eyes on what Ethereum is doing. That's my focus. Was an SFU here and will go back down, or will slowly push higher. $3,000 is like a magnet, but unfortunately so is 2,000. Now we are closer to 3,000 than to 2,000, so let's hope that will push higher. Okay, people, let's call it a live stream. If you are a general member, join Discord. Don't ask questions on YouTube comments, because I'm not answering them. So if you have something to say, join Discord, ask me in the chat, and I'll be more than happy to answer you. If you are putting comments in the YouTube videos or in YouTube live streams after we close the live stream, I don't have time to answer that. I'm not an influencer. I'm not making money with YouTube. I didn't open not even the payment on YouTube. So they don't even can pay me if they want. But that's because I don't have time to answer on YouTube. I don't have time to take care of a YouTube channel in the conditions that influencer do. Okay? So put the time and effort, join Discord, ask the questions in the chat. That being said, let's call it a live stream. See you guys, if you are premium, see you in 2 minutes. If you are a general member, see you tomorrow morning with the same live stream. Morning, Andre. Good morning. At the end, but good morning. Yeah? Level by level, people. We are not assuming tops like you see on Twitter. We are not assuming bottoms. We are here to make money and play setups. Yeah? Clean charts, clear plans. Yeah? Okay. See you people later. Bye bye.